weeknight lawn work. Let's do it. All right, it is Wednesday night and it is time for the midweek mow. I am at a point where I am mowing the lawn twice a week, and I have been that way for almost a month now, maybe even a little bit more than that. But I am mowing twice a week. The grass is growing really quickly, and it needs to be cut that much in order to keep up with it. And I just kind of wanted to talk about what I do differently for my midweek lawn treatment compared to a traditional Saturday treatment. So typically on my weeknight mowing, I will cut the grass, I'll trim and edge the front yard, but I won't trim and edge the backyard. And then if I have any kind of micronutrient application I want to do, I'll typically do that. And on Saturday, what I typically do is a full service kind of a thing. I'll mow, I'll edge, and I'll edge the front yard, and then I'll trim the whole backyard up against the fence all the way around, and clean it up really nice. Any kind of weeds in the cracks of the sidewalks, I'll go ahead and take care of those. Get down to the details. But tonight I'm just gonna mow, and I'm gonna clean up the edges around the front yard just to make sure that looks really nice and sharp. And I'm going to go ahead and put down an application of MicroGreene tonight. Okay, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this week's version of weeknight lawn work. Nice to have the grass cut and looking nice and clean and sharp and fresh for the rest of the week until I mow again on Saturday. I am on a mow and then wait 2 days and then mow on the following day after that. So I will mow again on Saturday, and it will be ready to mow again. It'll be ready to cut because it's growing. And I am getting close to my next fertilizer application, so stick around for that one. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.